What are the best stud finders on the market today? It's a crucial question, but now we have some answers. We reviewed the top 5 honorable mentions. We compiled this list based on their price, performance, battery life, and other factors. Stay tuned until the end of the video to check out the description below for more information and recent prices. Best overall, Zircon Multiscanner A200. This is a potent wall scanner with 3 scan modes. During our testing, it discovered the wall studs, iron and copper pipes, and live AC electrical lines. Also, it was incredibly dependable and accurate, recognizing studs and projecting a red arrow onto the wall to indicate their locations. The screen showed an indicator showing live wires when we crossed them to show that electricity was flowing through them. Plus, here we discovered that it was simple to distinguish between metal plumbing pipes and wood studs when using it in dedicated metal scan mode. It was a little difficult if there were metal studs, but understanding the stud spacing helped us figure things out. PVC pipes in the wall were not detected by this in deep scan mode unless they contained water. By switching between stud scan and deep scan, we were able to distinguish between pipes and studs. This displayed all this data on the screen that was lit. Best bang for your buck, Craftsman. Although this inexpensive stud finder isn't particularly sophisticated, it's a nice addition to your toolkit if all you need to do is find wood and metal studs. This stud finder does not pinpoint the exact center of the stud, in contrast to more expensive models. Instead, you move it across the wall until you find the edge of the stud, which is indicated by a red light and beep. After you hear the beep and see the red light again, mark that location and then repeat the process a few feet to the opposite side. The detecting depth of this Craftsman stud finder is 3¼ inch, which is smaller than many other stud finders, but typically adequate to finding studs. It is portable and lightweight, making it simple to keep the toolbox or carry it in a pocket. The 9V battery, which is not supplied, powers the device. Best do-it-yourself, Vivreal. This 4-in-1 wall scanner is simple to use even if you have no experience with stud finders. It calibrates at the touch of a button and is capable of finding a variety of objects including live electrical wiring, metal and wood studs, rebar and other metal objects, which may be concealed behind your walls. In our test, it found wire and wood and metal studs with great accuracy, although it wasn't quite as good at finding copper pipe. Nonetheless, pipes made of metal other than copper should be simple to spot. This is simple to use even if you have no experience with stud finders. It calibrates at the touch of a button and is capable of finding a variety of objects including live electrical wiring, metal and wood studs, rebar and other metal objects that are concealed behind your walls. Best multi-purpose, Bosch GMS 120. This digital multiscanner is very accurate in locating a variety of materials, even those present in thicker walls, according to our testing. Like many electronic stud finders, this uses a 9V battery to power all of its operations. It is simple to use the tool even if you don't read the directions, as it features user-friendly graphics on the front to detect wood, metal, and live wire. What's more, the stud finder also features self-calibration. After turning it on and choosing a mode, hold it still against the wall for a short while to calibrate it. An orange light ring on the tool's face will light up as it is scanned toward a stud. It struck metal fasteners and wood studs as well as live wiring in the wall. This multi-purpose stud finder also has the ability to silence the beeping noise and turn on a backlight for the display, making it ideal for dimly lit areas or places where beeping can be annoying. Best with Laser-Level-BLACK+DECKER BDL190S. Lastly, we have this, which is unique among stud finders in that it has an edge-type sensor and a self-leveling horizontal laser line. The two tasks work well together to hang a collection of pictures or other artwork. It has self-calibrating capabilities that require you to hold the device up against the wall, press and hold the power button for a short period of time, and then release it. The words "ready" and initializing flash across the red backlight LCD panel in fast succession. After that, the tool will be prepared to start scanning by projecting a horizontal level line onto your wall using its patented bullseye technology. It automatically levels, making mounting and hanging frames simple. Also, the unit's built-in LCD display is simple for users of all experience levels to read, and everyone can use it thanks to its small size and lightweight weight. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.